What's up, everybody? Today I'm back with another knife review. Today I've got the Victorinox Sportsman model. This is sort of a little brother to the Spartan, which I don't have on me today. But just to give you another comparison, this is an 84 millimeter Swiss Army knife, and this is a 91, more standard size on the. This is a 91 millimeter. Excuse me, I lost my train of thought there. But yeah. The 84 millimeters, like the Sportsman here, come in the Sportsman, the Tinker Small, the Recruit. I'm sure there's a couple more, I just don't recall off the top of my head. But there's only a couple. The 91 millimeter length models come in like hundreds of different freaking tool sets. But today we'll be talking about the Sportsman. Here's the main blade. Yeah. Main blade here. Well, I should say only blade, because on the failure there. On the 84 millimeter, at least on the Sportsman, it doesn't have a secondary blade. Instead, it has a fingernail file, slash nail cleaner, and what I like to call slash Phillips head screwdriver. And it does work on Phillips heads pretty good. And then we've got the one position flathead screwdriver with cap lifter and wire stripper. And that's not the same on all of these Sportsman models. It could be a two position. I have one at home that's actually two position, like on the 91 millimeter models. But most of them on the 84 millimeter models are one position where it just has the fully deployed and that's it. Then we've got the can opener slash flathead slash Phillips head. So there's two Phillips heads on this sucker that can be useful. Got the reamer slash awl with sewing eye. Voila. Got the corkscrew. And on the cellar door, these brighter red cellar door, that's the material, it's what it's called, handle scales, you get a lot of them don't come with it, but you get a needle, but the hole's there for it. Kind of neat. And then on the handle scales, we've got tweezers, we've got toothpick, and you know what? Other than maybe doing some cutting, that's about all I got to show you. Let's try that out though. And a little tear there. Let's do something else. Oh, it's computer paper. It should cut right through it flawlessly, but you know, sometimes I'm not a professional paper cutter or nothing, so don't be mad at me. But there we go. The Victorinox Sportsman.